Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets review video. In this video we have the Luci Lux Pro from MPOWERD. So this light right here is actually many things in one. It's waterproof, it's solar charging, it also can act as an emergency power bank for your phone, and it only weighs 5.5 ounces, so it's perfect for backcountry camping, things like that. It's also only about $20 on Amazon, so check the link in the description to find that price. Go ahead and open it up and check it out. Comes in a nice cardboard box. I like that because you can recycle it. One thing I do want to say about this, I want to thank the people who gave it to me, Christina and Tracy. Thank you so much for giving this to me. I'm very excited to use it. Very nice looking product packaging. Seems a very high quality. So we have the light right here. As you can see, it deflates and gets very thin. It also has straps on both the top and the bottom. Very easy to connect to your backpack or hang from a tree or inside your tent. In the box, we also have a standard USB to USB cable. So I think this is for charging the device. But I've never seen anything like this, so we'll check it out. And that's all that's in the box. So as you can see, you have this very large solar panel, and that will charge the device during the day. It takes 15 hours of direct sunlight to fully charge this device, and only a couple hours to charge it via USB. But with that amount of time to fully charge it, if you use this on the low light setting, it will work for 55 hours. So you can really depend on this if you're out in the backcountry, that you're gonna have light every night if it charges throughout the day, even if it's cloudy. As you can see on top, you have this adjustable strap, which is great for connecting it to different items, such as a backpack or the top of your tent or around a tree branch. I like that it is extendable if you need it to be. It's pretty cool. You also have a waterproof flap for the USB charger right here. So you just connect that right in, and then you can charge it with a power bank or some sort of wall adapter, anything like that. And this cable feels a very high quality. On the top here, we also have two buttons. So you have a charge indicator. So we press this button and it'll tell us with these four lights right here how charged it is. Then we have a power button here on the right side, and that'll cycle us through the four different light settings. So first we have low, medium, high, and then a strobe, which flashes every second. So this can be used in an emergency situation, or maybe you're on the side of the road, something like that to get people's attention. As you can see, the low light setting is still pretty bright, so it's impressive that you can get 55 hours out of this battery. So now I'm just going to go ahead and get it inflated. In the instructions, they tell you to pinch the nozzle and then pull up, and that allows the air to go in, so you can pull it all the way out. And then you just start blowing into it. Alright, so I have it all the way blown up. Only took maybe 2 or 3 breaths, so nothing that you're going to be out of breath from or any kind of struggle getting this blown up. It's pretty small and very easy to fill up. As you can see, the outside of this plastic kind of has like a smokiness to it. Now what that's going to do is allow the light to come out of almost the entire thing. So if you have it sitting up like this, you'll get good coverage covering your entire tent or whatever area, picnic table if you're camping, anything like that. It's going to provide a lot of light. As you can see through the plastic, that there are 10 LEDs, so that can get very powerful. As we can see on the high mode, it can be very, very bright. I think you would be able to perform tasks or read all with this little light right here. So pretty impressive. Now another thing to note is this is waterproof. It is IP67, so you can actually submerge this underwater and it'll continue to function and it'll work the next day. So you don't have to worry about it getting wet. That coupled with the weight of 5.5 ounces makes this device perfect for taking camping. So one of the cool things about the Luci Lux Pro is you can use it as a power bank. The device has a 2000 milliamp hour battery in it, and if you're not using it for the lights, you can charge your cell phone with it, you can charge your tablet. So let's see what kind of output it's giving. I'm using an app called Ampere to measure the output from the Luci Lux Pro. And while the output is not too important because this is not meant to be a quick charger, it's just nice to know that in an emergency situation, you could easily charge your phone or tablet with this device. And I think that's a really awesome feature. Alright, so that was the Luci Lux Pro from MPOWERD. I have to say, very impressed with this device. It has so many awesome features, plus it's around $20 to $25, so not too expensive either. The ability for this device to get super small once you deflate it, and it's also lightweight, makes it perfect for camping, and you don't have to bring any power source with you because you have the solar. So I think there's so many use cases for this device that really you can't go wrong having one. If you have any questions about this device, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm going to add an Amazon affiliate link so you can find this exact device on Amazon. If you'd like to see some more pictures of this device, check out my blog at gauginggadgets.com. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.